How to swap two variables without using third variable in Java.
First add a, b and assign to variable a. Then subtract b from a and assign to variable b. Again subtract b from a and assign to variable a. Let's check the output. In this short and sweet program, we initialize two variables, a and b, with values 10 and 20, respectively. Now, pay close attention to the next 3 lines of code. This is where the magic happens. In the first line, we add the values of a and b and store the result in a. At this point, a holds the sum of the original values of a and b. In the second line, we subtract the original value of b from the updated value of a and store it in b. As a result, b now holds the original value of a. Finally, we subtract the updated value of b from the sum stored in a. Consequently, a now holds the original value of b. By the end of this process, the values of a and b have effectively swapped without the need for a temporary variable.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.